Hi guys, welcome to that first rep. Today in this video I will teach you how to go from a tuck to a straddle front lever. Let's get to it. Alright guys, when it comes to the front lever in calisthenics, it's a very advanced move, and this tutorial I will be teaching you guys who have started the front lever journey, or those who are actually stuck in the tuck front lever and can move forward to a straddle lever or even to a full front lever. So the first progression is the straddle presses. Straddle presses is the hardest progression in this tutorial, where I want you to actually jump up onto the bar, extend your leg as wide as you can, and then come back down and hold the straddle position for just long enough so you can come back up and press all the way up, and then come back down again and repeat the same process for 1 up to 5 reps. In the very beginning, it might be very, very hard for you to actually get to one press, but then over time, as you get stronger, you'll be able to add more time and attention, and then obviously press back up a lot more. Now the second progression is negatives. As I mentioned a couple of times in my videos, in calisthenics, negatives is an extremely powerful tool that you should have in your kit as an athlete. So if you can perform the negative portion of any movement in calisthenics, then you're strong enough to actually perform the concentric phase of that same movement. So for the straddle front lever, get into a position, again, all the way up, open your legs as wide as you can, because the wider your legs, the easier it's going to be to actually hold the front lever, and then come all the way down as slow as you can. I want you to count from 1 to 10, and then come back again up to 5 sets, and probably rest to 2.5 to 3 minutes. That's a very advanced strength exercise, and you really want to get really rested properly to make those strength gains. Now, the third progression is what we call raises. Raises is a dynamic movement that's going to get you in motion and try and understand the pattern and the mechanics on your body, or how it feels to actually be in the straddle front lever. So I want you to simply raise your legs as slow as you can, but without momentum. I want to see no swings, no momentum when you get up in the air. You can obviously open up your legs to make it even harder. You can simply raise your legs in a full front lever position, so that you can actually carry over that and transfer that very, very well in your straddle front lever. And then the next, and obviously the easier progression, is front lever pulls. So I want you to actually grab onto the bar, get into a tuck hold position, and then simply pull up, and that's going to give you strength. It's going to add more time and attention, more volume, and obviously gain more pull-ups and get into the motion of that really front lever. That brings me to the last progression, which is the tuck hold, which I'm sure you guys have been stuck for such a long time and have no idea how to actually move forward from. And then once you've got all these progressions narrowed down, then you can actually benefit from the tuck hold by adding more time. If you can hold the tuck front lever for 15 seconds, I want you to actually hold it twice as long to actually make the most of that, to carry over and transfer to the harder progression which we just talked about. Alright guys, that's it. That's pretty much it for the tutorial on how to go from tuck to a straddle front lever. We've gone through presses, negatives to get that strength, tuck front lever pull up to actually get that time and attention, and obviously tuck hold to really strengthen and then be stronger in those basics. If you like that video, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you soon. Peace.